Guys and girls, I'm here in Farmers Plaza, Cubao. You know what? One of my subscribers never change. Every time we saw each other, he always greet me. So in return, and he's playing my video right now. I'm gonna promote his shop. There he goes. JL is in the house. As you can see, guys and girls, he's watching right now my latest upload on full screen. Okay, hold on. Hi. Okay. So promote your shop. Invite them. How much?
Depende, presyong ano,